Yes. Belum pa yan. Tingnan sa gilid. Tapos na kami mag thrift store. Here na naman kami sa half price books. Na walang kiddos. Binabantayan ay in-laws ko.
Your destination will be on the right.
Hindi. And next is eating time.
There it is.
That's why we went to half price books, guys, because malapit lang siya sa Olive Garden. We decide today na magpunta kami sa Olive Garden. Mag-sushi sana kami kasi may grupon pero nawala. So ano lang mi, mag Olive Garden. Date day. Is it this date day lang? Is it not yet night? So we could go back early after we eat because our kids, you never know, the monster. It's very nice outside lang.
Yeah.
Picture. This is for kids area. Shag, mga ayaw, reference poetry games. Si Daddy.
Just some movies right now.
Wow.
Then I was looking at the book.
So you didn't get books, just movies. Nahapan sila books, guys. Masking half price books. Ang pangalan sa store na sila movies.
Yeah. Supposed to be movies.
Yep. So, wala na guys. Yan ang nabili ni Daddy. Buy kami ng box ni Matias. Matias loves dinosaur. It's like full up to books. Ay, saan yung store? Oh. So, ito na siya yung nabili ni Daddy. Siyang namili. Ganahan ka na siya sa price books. Sorry. I thought he will buy books, but he buys some DVDs.
Clearance movies is the only reason to go to have.
Yeah. And only one book we got. Sure, Matthias will love this. Pop-up dinosaur book. Look at that, guys. Oh, cute. It's cute. The one to the Egypt lab, no? It's pop up the book lab, no?
Yeah.
Yan, okay, so it's cute. And ganyan si mother and father. Because for sure, Matthias will love this. Matthias. Make sure you take care of this. Yeah, ito lang. Yeah, ito lang yung book na binili namin. The rest is DVDs. clearance
Use the left 2
DVDs.
lanes to turn left onto Metcalf Avenue.
So now guys, we're heading to the Olive Garden
Continue
para
on
mag-lunch na
Metcalf Avenue for half a mile.
kami.
Onto West 95th Street.
Maraming flag sa gilid ng daan because it's almost Memorial Day.
Use the left lane to turn left onto West 95th Street.
Ng panahon, oh. It's nice to go somewhere in this kind of weather. So busog na kami guys. Yan, ang mga tummy. At mayroon kaming nakilalang si ate Pilipina. Family talaga sila, taga Pangasinan. At Tarlac si ate. The woman journey is like Tarlac, I think. And her husband is in Pangasinan in Philippines, guys. Magpamilya sila, tapos meron silang 2 anak. Yung chika-chika, yung mga Filipino, a little bit while eating. So, oy, very big. He's ready for, he have a food coma, guys. He's ready to sleep. So, that's all guys. Yun lang yung date day namin, not date night. Pauwi na kami sa aming makukulit na kiddos. And thank you for my mother-in-law for watching din. So, see you in the next video guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless everyone. Si Amos. Hoy! Nagbunukit ang baba ko. Dahil pero serious. Serious na siya. Buti na lang nag-behave ang mga bata. Send pictures ang akong binan. Nangaon sila, what silang show, PG Mask. Then, kita mga inahan, mapanatag punta if the kids are doing well. So, it's like po, mapanatag ta na dugay-dugay ka diyo. Igat-igat sa kawas. Thrift store fine, 75 cents ang na siya, yellow tag.
Here.
This one, yellow po nila. This one is 50%. Look. Muna muna palit sa thrift store. Oh, look, it's Adidas, huh, brand.
This actually might be a good size for me.
Hala.
No.
75 cents lang, guys. Oh, boxing na ng duha if they're fighting. This one too, 75 cents. Crayons.
Look, this is boxing gloves.
Oh, wow. Look at Matthias. This one is not 75 cents. Look at my clothes, guys. Oh.
Wow, fun toy.
I know. This one is 75 cents.
This is cute.
Look at my clothes.
That's my car.
Isa ka bag na clothes.
This is
It's like a car.
This is probably way too
Muna
big
ako
for you,
nakita.
Mom.
Matig 75 cents. Mostly t-shirts. I love
No, that way.
t-shirts.
This hand.
And this one to love. How much ni love?
Wow.
For pencil.
Then you put this
This is
around.
97 cents. So, diba guys? Nakakasitag kaman. Look, you have gloves. Daddy got it for you. This is not 75 cents. Hala. Hala.
Okay, now let's try your Spider-Man gloves.
Spider-Man gloves. Muna mong napalit guys. Aww. Are you happy? Good thing to ni Daddy. Naghag-hag si Matthias.
Daddy.
Aww.
Let's get my toy.
And you have books. So you didn't see it. Look, how nice. Ano, it's like a golf kuan guys. Golf gloves. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
You like
One
it?
finger in each hole. Okay, so there's your
Yeah,
thumb.
because today,
Nope,
guys,
just your thumb goes there.
Sunday, their 75 cents is yellow, their 50% is orange tags, and then, what other gali lab? Yellow,
You're putting two fingers here.
orange,
Like
and
this.
white, I think, is 25%. Come on, Ezekiel!
This, only your thumb goes in this one.
Come on! Look at ang among rose there, guys. Oh, muna ang among kuang. Buwak. Hi, love! Nag-very good ka grandma? Yeah, we left them here today. Tapos mag-date ba ilang mother or father? Hala ka, nice, anak Matias. Uy! Look at, oh, and this one, guys, clearance is just a half-price books. Very collectors. Uy, napaday books day, daddy, that you get, daddy.
These are two
Books po, guys. Mas mga buwatsa. Ay! Ay, train. This is a train. Go share ni baby. Sikyo. Wow. Tulaan sa trip store. Papilit. Siya, murag na gamay na pingpong. Dili siya pingpong. O, murag gamay na badminton. Mini badminton. Lang siya, guys. Mag-play practice siya. What's this? It's like badminton but it's tiny. Here siya, guys. 6 game activity combo pero wala siya flying disc. Wala siya. What's this? Light. Water football. So kini lang siya kini magic mitts. Wala na siya. Yeah, since it's thrift store, it's not majud complete. 50%, $8.99, so it's like $4.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.